Palma, second sentence, please.
I don't say to stole
Can you please stand up?
I don't say to stole my money.
Miss Juliana, the last and second paragraph and the last paragraph.
I don't say he stole my money. I don't say he stole my money.
Okay, so based from the fourth sentence, what have you observed about the sentence?
They are the same sentence number, different sounds for each of each sentence.
Okay, so to answer your question, let us know the definition of I got a little. Okay, anyone? Can you give an idea about our motivation? Miss Lalo, please stand up and please give us an idea.
I think they have a different. The sentence is they have a different meaning.
Okay, nice try. So, what do you think is the connection of our activity for our lesson for today?
I think our lesson today is about stress and stress.
Okay, so let us know if our lesson is stress or unstress. So before we proceed to our main discussion, everybody please read the objectives.
At the level that students will be able to define what stress, value the importance of stress to oral orientation, and make a goal and
So, Miss Juliana, can you please read the definition of stress?
Stress, the pattern of stress and unstress word across the sentence. Normally, this emphasizes is a word that carry important information, although this can change significantly depending on the specific meaning speakers want to communicate.
Okay, so based from what you have read, can you please give us an example of stress? Thank you so much, Miss Viliana. So, when we say stress, it is a pattern of stress and unstress words across a sentence. Normally, this emphasis is on words that carry important information, although this can change significantly depending on the specific meaning the speaker wants to communicate. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, to give you more knowledge about stress, so this is the example. Mr. Palma, can you please read the first example?
I ran quickly to the desk.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Palma. So, I ran quickly to the desk. So, the I word here is the stress. So, I emphasis who is doing the running. So, the second example is I ran quickly to the desk. So, the word Okay. Next sentence. I don't think she will listen to him. Anyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Miss Juliana.
I don't think she will listen to him. I think she.
Okay, very good. Okay, so the last number